Check it, ARV Nation. That was good. That was a good one, boys. All right, we're doing good. Welcome to today's review. We're doing the ring.
We're doing like really weird eye contact. You backed up and you backed up, and me and Bobby were just like.
So as you can see today, we have all three members of the team on this review, as well as install video. This is going to be the first install video that we've done. So hopefully it's informative to you if you've ever done this. We have an extra challenge because not only are we installing a Ring peak hole doorbell on the door, but we're installing it on a door that does not have a peephole. So there's going to be some drilling, some measuring, there's going to be a whole bunch of stuff, and hopefully you find yourself with this kind of situation, and we can help you along the way in getting yourself set up and ready to go with your new Ring doorbell. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and unbox it real quick, see what it all comes with, and then we will carry on to the actual installation process. Nice little sleeve. Oh no, look at it.
It's such a pretty
All right,
ring.
cool. Just a sweet little box. All right. There we go. This model comes with not only the peephole setup. Typically, when you've got your door that already has the peephole, you simply unscrew that setup and this slides in its place, and then you're done. So you have the exterior mount and then the interior, so you still have access to the peephole, but you still got all the benefits of the Ring doorbell system with the two-way top. This one has knock detection, as well as snapshot capture and any motion sensor activation. So you've got inside and outside the door. Again, for us, my house for some reason doesn't have a peephole, so we're actually going to be making a peephole ourselves to be able to install this. What does it say?
The peephole key.
Oh, the peephole key.
So if you
Nice.
read,
So if you read the labels, it tells you. We've got a just older Android. What was this model again? The
Micro SD.
micro SD.
No, it's micro USB.
Micro
Micro
USB.
USB.
Jesus, I'm not going to talk to them anymore. So here's the batteries. They're rechargeable. So
that's what that cord's for.
okay. So really, what I'm going to do is, because this is a standalone system, I don't know if this comes with an extra battery. I doubt it does. So I'll probably end up buying a spare, because again, this is the first time I've ever had the Ring doorbell system at all. I know you have one on yours, right?
Oh, I have the very crappy ADT one.
ADT. Okay, yeah. I have ADT security, but I just went with the basic stuff. I wasn't trying to pay an arm and a leg.
Oh,
But yeah,
great.
so nice. This one did not. Mine did not. It was not a special. They were like, here, you want security or not? And then we have one of the peephole sleeves. Okay, so then the other feature this comes with is the signal extender and chime. So it's got its own little chime that we can just plug into any wall outlet, and it's supposed to extend the Wi-Fi range, so this will connect and be that bridge if it were far away. Luckily for me, in the setup in my house, the Wi-Fi router is actually in the living room, and then the door is not very far. So as far as signal strength, it should be just fine without this, but this is going to be good because our current doorbell, this house was built in 1978, and had the remodel of the inside, but the doorbell chime sucks. So this is just an extension of that. It's got its own chime, so we can hear it nice and clear. We're going to have it in the kitchen, so it'll go through the whole house without any issue. Here we can see it's got the US plug, the typical plug found in the United States, but it's got the setup in the back. So if you're in another country and you have a different kind of plug, you can just do the one that's associated with your country's requirements. All right. So again, what comes with it? The inside peephole segment, the exterior unit. You've got the protective cover. Remove once indoors. So this is obviously letting us know, again, just like I've told you in my previous videos, when it comes to drones or anything at all, read the labels, read the instructions, make sure that you're fully aware of what's going on. Here's the interior side of the door, has the battery access, but the charge life of this is my concern because I don't want this to be down for extended periods of time. So I will be buying an extra battery to always have that one just real quick swapping it out. I wouldn't see a reason to have more than just one extra battery. The peephole key, the extender and chime, the rechargeable battery, and then we have what looks like some sort of welcome packet. Say hello to Ring. And then, oh, so here we go. This is nice.
The sticker.
Yeah, so it's got the sticker, kind of like how I have my ADT sticker. So I'll put this out front. Let's see, setup instructions with the QR code. Nice instruction booklet here. The setup instructions, just like a quick guide. And then just some more questionnaire type stuff, commonly asked questions. Next, we're gonna go over and we're gonna start the process. I've got the batteries charged for the drill. So now it's just about setting this up and starting to poke holes in doors and set this thing up and see what happens. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in a couple seconds. All right, guys, so we've gathered everything we need, which is very minimal for this situation. Really, it's just the fact that we need the drill with the drill bit. Of course, the tape measure and pencil so we can mark the center of the door as best possible. So this is everything we should need. So now we're gonna head over to the door itself and start marking. Hopefully this helps you out if you have a similar situation that you need to install one of these items, but you're not sure, or just a little skeptical as to, you know, is it effective to do it, or should you go with another Ring doorbell setup? I went and I just did a little bit of cheating on this. I'm using the straight edge of the T for the tape itself, and that's my dead part right there for the drilling. And then give it a little bit of a tap to kind of get that door or the tip of the drill bit in there, so you know it's not going to move on you.
Definitely need to file.
Yeah, so actually that's one of the things that wow, I just blew it out. That's one of the things that the kit actually comes with. That little ring tool says it's meant to help smooth out the edges. So we're gonna get this cleaned up, and then we'll be back as far as the installation. The peephole key, it also serves as a way to just help smooth out some of these edges so you don't have a lot of jaggedness coming in. So I got a little bit more here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the drill, I'm gonna make sure to clean it up as far as, I don't know. Just give it a few spins just to help smooth some of this out. So again, you don't want no jagged edges because we've got the wires and we don't want them to get cut, even though they shouldn't have any pressure on them once it slides through. It's got that nice protective casing.
Tighten her down. Alright, that's it.
Alright, so battery install. It works. We now have a peephole in this door. So now I'm going to plug in the chime adapter so that we can start the smartphone process of setting this up. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're just waiting for the Ring Always Home app that was pulled up via scanning that QR code so that we can start the setup of my Ring peephole doorbell. And we're going to start the setup process. So obviously I don't have a Ring account, so you're going to create your account. Alright, so we're verifying the email. Now I do have an Amazon account, so I'm going to go ahead and link that account as well. Sign in as approved. So now we're linked up to my Amazon, which means my Alexa Dot can now be utilized with the account. Alright, so we're going to type in the address. Let's see, set up a Ring device. Scan the code on your Ring device. Here we go with the QR code. We're going to scan it. There we go. So it's now setting it up here. It's for the front door. It is not spinning yet. So we're looking for that fast spin that you see here going on here. Now it's spinning. So now we have the spin going on. Is the light on the front of your door view cam spinning? Yes. Go to Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device. Okay. All right. The Ring app is now talking to the Ring doorbell. All right, Ring doorbell is now connected. Congratulations. Setup is complete with Ring Always Home. It's updating its internal software. So now that we've got the actual doorbell set up, now it's time to set up the actual chime that we plugged in. So chimes. All right, so scan the code on your Ring device. You can also find it on the product packaging. All right, so I unplugged the chime from the wall, and sure enough, on the inside, just underneath the prongs, there was the QR code, so I scanned that. And let's see, give it a name. So we're just gonna go ahead and name it Kitchen, because that's where it's located. All right, so Plug the chime into the standard wall outlet. Has this chime been set up before? If so, tap here. Well, it hasn't, so we're going to go ahead and continue. All right, so we're going to connect it to the same network. All right. On the next screen, you'll select your device you want associated with this chime. So, all right, so we're going to continue. All right, so internal software is updating. Kitchen has reconnected. Your chime is now ready to use. Got it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching the setup of the Ring doorbell for the Peephole, and I hope this was informative. If there's anything we might have missed or a feature that you're curious about, make sure to comment below so we can make sure that we're reviewing this as much as possible, making sure that we're giving you guys as much info as we can. That being said, there will be a review of my opinions about the product here probably in a month or two, just to give you guys an update as far as what's going on, what things I may or may not like, things of that nature. So thanks for watching.